Morning, sir.
Hi dear students. Good morning.
Morning, sir.
Good morning, sir. Good
Very good
morning,
morning.
sir.
Very good morning. Okay, we'll start the class now without any wait.
Good morning, sir.
Very good morning. So yesterday in previous class we left at formula method. Is it right? Okay, dear students. Today we have to discuss about nature of the roots. Okay, nature of roots. Okay, so in this the quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0 as two roots. Okay, this these two roots are determined by what? B square minus 4ac. So b square minus 4ac is called the discriminant of the quadratic equation. Discriminant of the quadratic equation. So ನಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿರುವಂತೆ ಕ್ವಾಡ್ರಾಟಿಕ್ ಈಕ್ವೇಷನ್ ಗೆ ಏನಿದಾವೆ? ಎರಡು ರೂಟ್ಸ್ ಬರ್ತವೆ. ಎರಡು ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ರೂಟ್ಸ್ ಬರ್ಬೋದು. ಒನ್ ಈಸ್ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್, ಒನ್ ಈಸ್ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಬರ್ಬೋದು. ಅದರ್ವೈಸ್ ರೂಟ್ಸೇ ಬರದೇ ಇರಬಹುದು ಎರಡು. That's why that is determined by what? In the formula we have, in the formula x is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. In this, every number is a rational number without this root. So ಈ ರೂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿರೋ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂವೇ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. if in this root value is negative means we cannot define the roots. That's why this is the deciding factor. This is the deciding factor. What is the determining deciding factor? B square minus 4ac is the deciding factor. So we call this as the discriminant of the quadratic equation. Remember the word discriminant. Discriminant ಅಂದ್ರೆ it determines the nature of the roots ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಇರ್ತಾವ ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ ಡಿಟರ್ಮೈನ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಇದೆ. So this determines the which type of roots are they. Okay, that's why we call this as a discriminant. So discriminant is equal to what? B square minus 4ac. Discriminant is also denoted by the symbol delta. So delta is equal to what? B square minus 4ac. So this delta indicates what? Discriminant. Okay, discriminant. So we have to study. There are three types of there are three classification of the roots. Okay, serial number 1, 2, 3. Discriminant delta. Okay, so here nature of the root. So if b square minus 4ac is equal to 0, so if this value is equal to 0 means nature of the roots are equal. Roots are real and equal. We can say roots are real and equal. If b square minus 4ac is greater than 0, if b square minus 4ac is greater than 0, two discriminants are real and distinct. Roots are real. Here also roots are real and equal. Here roots are real and distinct. What it mean by distinct? The word distinct, distinct. What it mean by distinct? Anyone? Can you say? Hello dear students. Anyone? What it mean by discriminant? Distinct. Distinct means what?
Vishishta, sir.
Yes, Visishta ಅನ್ನೋದಕ್ಕಂತಲೂ different. The parallel word is different. Okay, distinct means what? Different ಅಂತ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂದು ಇನ್ನೊಂದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ, ಡಿಫರೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ರೂಟ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ರಿಯಲ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ x equal to 2 ಬಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಇದು ಕೂಡ x equal to 2 ನೇ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಎರಡು ರೂಟ್ಸ್. ಬಟ್ ಇನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಇಫ್ one is 2, another one may be 3, another one may be -3. Roots are real and distinct means different. Okay, right. ಒಂದು ಇನ್ನೊಂದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ವಿಶಿಷ್ಟವಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಅದು ಎಕ್ಸಾಕ್ಟ್ ವರ್ಡ್ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಡಿಫರೆಂಟ್. ಓಕೆ, right. Next, if b square minus 4ac is less than the value 0, then roots are imaginary. Roots are what? Imaginary. Or you can say no real roots. No real roots. So by knowing this table, you can easily understand the nature of the roots. Okay. Take the screenshot. Okay. Take one example here. Find the discriminant of the equation 3x square minus 2x plus 1 by 3 equal to 0, and hence find the nature of the roots. Find them if they are real. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ರೂಟ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ, ಅವೇನಾದ್ರೂ ರಿಯಲ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾನೆ. ಎಸ್, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ 3x square minus 2x plus 1 by 3 equal to 0. Here there is a fraction. If anywhere there is a fraction means take the LCM first. Okay, so 3 3 is a 9x square, 3 2 is a 6x plus 1 equal to 0. That implies, so if you multiply 0 with this 3 by cross multiplication, what we get? So 9x square minus 6x plus 1 equal to 0 into 3 is 0. So here what are the values? A is equal to 9, B is equal to minus 6, and C is equal to 1. Therefore delta means what? Discriminant, that is b square minus 4ac. So what is b square? B is minus 6 whole square minus 4 into, what is the value of A? A is 9 into C is what? 1. So equal to 6 the what? 36. Minus into minus plus, so plus 36. See here, minus 4 9s are 36 equal to 0. So here delta is equal to 0 or discriminant is equal to 0 means what? What you say about the roots?
Roots are equal, sir.
Roots are equal
Roots
and
are
real.
very good.
And
Roots
real.
are real and equal. Roots are real and equal. What they are asking, see here, find them if they are real. Find them if they are real. Ilige mugsongilla now because roots are real here, so we have to find further for roots. Okay, therefore ಯಾವ್ದ್ರಿಂದ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು? By splitting the middle term ನಾ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಕೂಡ ಮಾಡೋಣಂತೆ. 9x square minus 6x plus 1 equal to 0. So first term has the coefficient, so 1 into 9 is 9, so plus 9. So plus 9 is the last term. We have to split the middle term. So last term is plus means both the factors are minus or both the factors are plus. It depends on the middle term. So middle term is minus means both the factors are minus. So minus and minus. So we have to split the middle term within it. Within it means r ಒಳಗಡೆನೆ split ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Okay, 5 1s 5 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, 4 2s 8 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ನಮಗೆ 9 ಬೇಕು, 3 3s 9, minus 3. So 9x square minus 3x plus 1 equal to 0. So by splitting into groups, so 3x, here also 3x is common, so 3x taken out common, So what will remain here? 3. 3 is a 9. 1x is remain minus. So we have taken already 3x common outside. So 1 will remain. So here already 3x is there. So take only 1 is common outside. Minus 1 is common outside. What will remain here? 3x. So here minus 1. Minus into 3x is minus 3x. Minus into minus plus 1. So that's it. So here 3x minus 1 is common. Take in separate bracket. What will remain in the second bracket? 3x minus 1. 3x minus 1 equal to 0. Therefore, 3x minus 1 equal to 0 or 3x minus 1 equal to 0. Therefore, 3x equal to 1 or 3x equal to 1 here also. So, x is equal to 1 by 3 or x is equal to 1 by 3. See here, roots, they are saying that roots are real and equal. So, we have two roots, they are real because they are the rational numbers and they are also equal. See here also x equal to 1 by 3, here also x equal to 1 by 3. So we are true because we got the result as we thought. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಲ್ಲ? ಸೊ ಇಷ್ಟು ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು. ಈ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಹಿಂಗ್ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಏನ್ ಕೇಳಿದಾನೆ, 3 ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಕೇಳಿದಾನೆ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ. ಸೊ ಫೈಂಡ್ ದಿ ಡಿಸ್ಕ್ರಿಮಿನೆಂಟ್. ಸೊ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ವಿ ಫೌಂಡ್ ದಿ ಡಿಸ್ಕ್ರಿಮಿನೆಂಟ್ ಹಿಯರ್. ಸೊ ಡಿಸ್ಕ್ರಿಮಿನೆಂಟ್ ಈಸ್ 0. ಸೊ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಕೇಳಿದಾನೆ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್. ಅಂಡ್ ಹೆನ್ಸ್ ಫೈಂಡ್ ದಿ ನೇಚರ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ರೂಟ್ಸ್. ನೇಚರ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ರೂಟ್ಸ್ ಏನದು? By this we can conclude that roots are real and equal. So after that again they are asking find them if they are real. So here their roots are real and equal. So we have found the real roots. Okay. So by this, if you want to find this by formula method, see here a equal to 9, b equal to minus 6 and c equal to 1. So we have formula minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. So this is equal to minus. So this b is minus here. So we have to careful about it. Minus 6 plus or minus square root of b square minus 6 whole square minus 4 into a is 9 into c is 1 whole divided by 2 into a is 9. Okay. So this is equal to minus of minus is plus 6 plus or minus square root of 36 minus 36 divided by 9 to the 18. So this is equal to 6 plus or minus root 0. 36 minus 36 is 0 divided by 18. So this is equal to what? 6 plus or minus 0 divided by 18. Therefore, x is equal to 6 plus 0 divided by 18 or x is equal to 6 minus 0 divided by 18. So 6 plus 0 is what? 6 divided by 18 or x is equal to 6 divided by 18. So 6 1s are 6 3s are 6 1s are 6 3s are. Here also we got. So this is by formula method. You can also find this by completing the square method. You can solve by any of these 3 methods. All of you got? So you can take the screenshot first. R, this is R. Right. Okay, we will move to next, that is the exercise 10.4. Find the nature of the roots of the following quadratic equations. If the real roots exist, find them. Right? First, we have to find discriminant. By that, we can judge nature of the roots. If the nature of the roots are real, then we have to find the roots by any of the three methods. Okay. Here, find the value of k. So here, so important thing we have to notify here. Find the value of k for which k for each of the following quadratic equation, so that they have equal roots. Nodri, iದೇ word important. They have equal roots. Two equal roots. They have two equal roots ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ರೂಟ್ಸ್ ರಿಯಲ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಅಂತ ಅರ್ಥ. ರೂಟ್ಸ್ ರಿಯಲ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಅನ್ನೋದ್ರ ಮೇಲೆನೆ ನಾವು ಫೈಂಡ್ ದಿ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಆಫ್ ಕೆ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ತಾನೆ ಕ್ವಾಡ್ರಾಟಿಕ್ ಇಕ್ವೇಶನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. ಯಾಕೆಂದ್ರೆ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಟೇಕ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ ಡೆಲ್ಟಾ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 0, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಬಿ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಮೈನಸ್ 4ac is equal to 0. ಸೊ ರೂಟ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ರಿಯಲ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಅಂತ ಇರ್ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಡೆಲ್ಟಾ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 0 ಅಂತ ಇರ್ಬೇಕು. ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಬಿ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಮೈನಸ್ 4ac ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 0 ಅಂತ ಇರ್ಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ for this, so consider so one second one equation. So they have given second one, that kx into bracket of x minus 2 is plus 6 is equal to 0. So simplify this. Kx square minus 2kx plus 6 equal to 0. Here a is equal to what? K. B is equal to what? Minus 2k. C is equal to 6. Therefore, given that, we have to say, given that delta is equal to 0. So b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. What is b square? Minus 2k whole square minus 4 into what is a is k. C is 6 equal to 0. So minus 2k square is what? 4k square minus 4 6 24k is equal to 0. So 4k square is equal to 24k. So bring this to right side, means like this. So k and 1k get cancelled. So 4k is equal to 24. So k is equal to 24 divided by 4. 4 1s are 4 6. Value of k is 6 here. Value of k may be anything. Okay. So k is equal to 6. Find the value of k for which the following quadratic equations, so that they have equal roots ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದಾನೆ. So k value is 6 here. ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಾ ಎಲ್ರಿಗೂ? ಈ ಟೈಪ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಮೇನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೇಳಿದರೆ, ಉಳಿದುವೆಲ್ಲ ಅಗೇನ್ ಸೇಮ್ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ರಿಗಾರ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ಕ್ವಾಡ್ರಾಟಿಕ್ ಇಕ್ವೇಶನ್. So by this we completed the quadratic equation. So there may be a test on this. May I take test on this tomorrow? Yes. ಈ ಟಾಪಿಕ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಆಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟಿವ್ ಟೈಪ್ ಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ನಾಳೆ ತಗೋ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಾಳೆ ತಗೋತೀನಿ. ನಾಳೆ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಏನು ಬೆನಿಫಿಟ್ ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನು ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ ನಾನು ನಿಮ್ಗೆ. ನಾಳೆ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಮಂಗಳವಾರ, ನಾಳೆ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಬುಧವಾರ, ಗುರುವಾರ, ಶುಕ್ರವಾರ, ಶುಕ್ರವಾರ 3 ದಿನ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. 3 ದಿನದಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು 4 ಟಾಪಿಕ್ ನ ಪ್ರಿಪೇರ್ ಆಗ್ಬಹುದು. Saturday there will be a test on 4 units with 20 marks. 20 marks ಇಂದ ಏನಿರುತ್ತೆ? ಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಥಿಯರಿ ಟೆಸ್ಟ್. ಇಲ್ಲ ನಾ ಇವತ್ತು ಬೇಡ, ನಾಳೆ ಬೇಡ, ನಾಡಿದ್ದು ತಗೋತೀವಿ ಅಂತ ಅನ್ನೋದಾದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? 1 day ಲೆಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. 2 day ಅಲ್ಲಿ 4 ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ ಓದೋದಕ್ಕೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಕಷ್ಟ ಆಗ್ಬಹುದು. ವಾಟ್ ಐ ಡೂ, ನೀವ್ ಹೇಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ತಿರೋ ಹಾಗೆ, ನಾಳೆ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ನಾಳೆ, ನಾಡಿದ್ದು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಾಡಿದ್ದು. ಶನಿವಾರ ಮಾತ್ರ
Sir.
ಡೆಫಿನೆಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಒಂದು ಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಇದ್ದೇ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಶನಿವಾರ ಮಾತ್ರ ಪೋಸ್ಟ್ಪಾನ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ.
ನಾಡಿದ್ದೆ ತಗೋರಿ ಸರ್.
ನಾಳೆ ಬೇಡ.
ನಾಳೆ ಬೇಡ ಸರ್.
ಓಕೆ, ಆಸ್ ಯು ವಿಶ್. Right. We will take the class test day after tomorrow, that is on Wednesday. Okay.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.